People think flying is safe. They believe that once a plane leaves the runway, everything is under control. But what you read about to see proves one terrifying truth. Sometimes disaster doesn't give warnings. Sometimes it's already too late. These are plane crashes caught on camera. Real moments, real fear, and real people who had no idea this would be their final journey. The first footage was recorded by a passenger's phone. The cabin looks calm. Seatbelt signs are on. No one is screaming, yet something feels wrong. The engine's sound changes. Not loud, not dramatic, just different. A flight attendant freezes. Passengers look at each other. Someone quietly whispers, "Is that normal?" It wasn't. The aircraft begins to shake, not violently, juiced enough to make hearts race. Then oxygen masks fall from the ceiling. In that moment, fear becomes real. People stop talking. Some start praying. Others hold their phones, recording, because deep down, they know this moment matters. Another crash was captured by airport security cameras. The plane approaches the runway, perfectly aligned. Everything looks routine. Then the landing gear collapses. The aircraft slams into the runway. Sparks explode. Fire erupts instantly. From the outside, it looks fast. But inside the cabin, time slows down. Passengers are thrown forward. Luggage flies. Smoke fills the air. Some people make it out. Some don't. And the cameras never look away. One of the most disturbing recordings comes from the cockpit itself. A pilot's voice calm. Controlled. Professional. There's a problem with the controls. No panic. No shouting. Just silence between words. Radar shows the plane losing altitude. The ground is getting closer. The pilot knows exactly what's happening. This is not a movie. There's no dramatic music. No hero moment. Just a machine falling. And humans trying to stop the impossible. In another incident, the storm becomes the enemy. The sky turns black. Lightning surrounds the aircraft. The plane enters severe turbulence. The wings flex violently. Passengers scream. A child cries and asks a question that breaks hearts. Are we going to die? No one answers. The camera shakes as the aircraft drops suddenly. For 2 full seconds, the plane is weightless. Those seconds feel endless. Some passengers later said they accepted death in that moment. A different crash was captured from the ground. A small aircraft struggles to climb after takeoff. The engine sputters. Black smoke pours out. The pilot tries to turn back, but there isn't enough altitude. The plane disappears behind buildings. Then silence. Seconds later, a fireball rises into the sky. That camera keeps recording long after the impact, as if it's waiting, hoping someone will walk away. Sometimes they don't. These videos are hard to watch, not because of explosions or fire, but because of what they represent. Final goodbyes that were never spoken. Plans that were never fulfilled. Homes that waited for someone who never returned. Every crash caught on camera tells the same story. Life can change in seconds. Pilots train for years. Aircraft are inspected endlessly. And still, something can go wrong. A bird strike, a mechanical failure, a sudden storm. And when it happens, there is no reset button. That's why these recordings matter. Not for shock, not for entertainment, but as reminders that every safe landing is a gift. Every flight completed is a success. And every person who walks off a plane is lucky, even if they don't realize it. If this video made you feel uneasy, that's because it's real. These are not stories. These are plane crashes caught on camera, and behind every clip is a life that was changed forever. If you felt this, leave a comment. Not an emoji, not a joke. Just a reminder that life is fragile, and tomorrow is never guaranteed. If you or someone you know is struggling with anxiety, fear, or grief after a traumatic event, please know there is support available. Professional help can make a significant difference. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more stories that matter.